You know what I'm saying? And then you start going to sleep on the phone with her, you down there got her, my boy. GG's. Start going to sleep on the phone, you down there got her. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. What's good with YouTube? It's your boy TrueCam. In this video, y'all know y'all niggas read about title and thumbnail. This video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to hold a conversation on FaceTime. Hold a conversation, hey, it's kind of the same as holding it on a phone call. It's kind of the same as texting a little bit, and it's kind of the same as in person. So basically, if y'all watch this video from beginning to the end, y'all overall text game will improve. You know what I'm saying? Not text game. The overall conversation game will improve. You'll be able to hold conversations like a little smoother than you're doing right now, being nervous and not talking. I know you're not talking. You're nervous. You're on the phone. You don't know what to say. I know. It's cool though. This video gonna help you fix that. So look, before we get started, make sure y'all like the video because you be forgetting, fool. I don't I don't know why you always forget. Either I know you forget because you my homeboy. I know you ain't gonna just do me like that. You be forgetting, don't it? I know you forget. Go ahead, do it right now. But let's get started. All right, look. So when y'all talking to a girl, bro, this is for, I'm finna tell y'all the first time. So like the first time y'all talk to a girl, like the first time talking to her on the phone and things of that nature. When you get on the phone with her, right? Whatever time of day it is, I don't know whatever time of day it is, you talk to her about, let's just say, it's most likely gonna be out of school, right? For the people who are in school. So if it's out of school, you ask her, either what you doing tonight, if it's like, y'all just got out, or if it's nighttime, you ask her, what you got planned for tomorrow? She kind of say some little things, right? And then you ask her, so what you like to do? Hey, bro, she giving you the things to talk about. When you ask a girl, hey, what you like to do? She gonna give you like about 3 or 4 things, even if she give you 1 or 2. Like even if she say, I don't like to do nothing really. Be like, you like to do something. So you don't like doing nothing? Like, I'm gonna get to that in a second. So let's just say she gonna name 3 or 4 things that she like to do, right? So when she name those things, she giving you it's like she basically telling you what to talk about. Let's just say, for example, 3 right off the top. Let's just say she like to let's just say I'm gonna say the most randomest. So I'm gonna say the most randomest stuff in the world. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all you can make conversation out of anything. Let's just say she like to install lights. She like to work on computers, and she like to what else? I'm doing my video. She like to what else? Well, what else? Make videos, right? So install lights, nigga. You can ask her. She said, I like to install lights, I like to work on computers, and I like to make videos. Those are 3 things that you got to talk about. You know what I'm saying? The 3 things you got to talk about. So you pick one. You're like, okay. Because eventually you're going to talk about all of them. So you pick one. I'm going to pick the hardest one. Work on lights. What can you say to a girl to learn how to work on lights? It's a lot you would say. You ask, you learn how to work on lights? What kind of lights you work on? She'll say, whatever, house lights, ring lights. I don't know. Whatever she say. Then you ask her, how long you been doing that for? She'll tell you how long she been doing that. Be like, is it a hard job? Type shit. She'll tell you if it's hard. Be like, how do you really how do you really install a light? Like, is it like wires or things like that? And she'll explain it. She'll give you the whole detail. Now you gotta do this, do that. And they just be like, when I get my crib, you're gonna install my lights. That's a little red you sprinkle on there. When I get my crib, you're gonna help me install my lights, or you're gonna install some lights for me, like some things like that. Y'all get what I'm saying? Sprinkle little reds on there. She gonna say what she gotta say. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying though? Like you can hold a conversation through anything and they can carry on. Like I just said, you gonna help me install some junks in my house. You gonna say whatever, and then you be like, like where you wanna live? Where you wanna live? When you get older, or things like that. Like what state? You know what I'm saying? And now y'all talking about where y'all wanna move to. Let's say she say Florida, right? If she say Florida, you ask, you must like swimming and shit, or you like the beaches, or now y'all talking about that. Like, the conversation that can drag off talking about lights. I'm gonna give y'all an example, bro. Lights. I know a girl not really gonna say install lights. I'm just showing y'all how easy it is. And then when it do get dry, guess what happens when it get dry, chat? This a gem for y'all. Guess what happens when y'all talk about the lights and carry on, talk about the states, carry on, and now it get dry. Then you go back to talk about working on computers, because that's the second thing. You get what I'm saying? So now we're talking about working on computers. So you ask, what kind of computers you work on? Didn't I say work on computers? I think I did say that. So you ask, what type of computers you like to work on? She gonna tell you, whatever. And they be like, so how do you get into that? You good with like the little inside shit? what's the inside shit called? Like I would ask her that. What's the little inside shit called? She'll tell you whatever it is, the hard drive, motherboard, whatever it is. She gonna tell you, and then y'all just talk about that. Keep the dice rolling. When you ain't got nothing to talk about, then you go to make the videos. Make the videos, keep that dice rolling. It's gonna drag to different stuff, chat. Y'all gotta drag, bro. You gonna know how to drag it. You gonna know how to drag it. You gotta always think, what's the next topic? I always think, what's the next topic in your head? And while she talking, you gotta already be thinking of the question. You gotta be thinking of the next question while she talking, right? So she gonna drag it. She gonna drag it. Like, I mean, you gonna drag it. You gonna drag it. She talk about computers, motherboard. Let's just say she say, it's hard to try to hold a conversation by yourself. Like I'm trying to imagine what she'll say, then imagine how I respond. It's kind of hard to do. Let's just say she say she don't really like working on computers that much. And then I'll just be like, why you still be doing it? She be like, the money good, all that stuff. I'll be like, man, I don't know. So I don't know, bro. It's hard to try to hold two conversations, but y'all niggas get what I'm saying, bro. You gotta just drag it out, go from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing. You ask her, she gonna install lights in your house, and now you talking about house. So you ask her where you want to live. She say Florida. Y'all talking about Florida? What Florida got? Beaches, things of that nature. So that's what you talk about. Beaches. Beaches. After beaches, you can go to motherfucking anything, bro. Cause she gonna say some stuff that probably give you an idea. She be like, oh yeah, I just like wearing my swimsuits. If she say swimsuits, now I get what y'all talking about. Swimsuit. What's your favorite color type swimsuit? She say what her favorite color is. You know what I'm saying? Do you got tattoos or do you want tattoos? She talk about that. You know what I'm saying? It can just keep going. I'm telling y'all, dice can just keep going. Keep going. It's kind of easy. And then this FaceTime, right? This is a FaceTime video, right? So whole time you sitting on FaceTime with her, you either can be sitting up, if y'all ain't got the chop, you throw you can throw your thing on. Hey, my hair don't look bad. I just want to throw my shit on. So you throw your junk on, or however y'all want to do it. Sit your phone up. Like if she got her phone to the ceiling, you could put your phone to the ceiling if you want to. Cause I remember last time I told y'all don't have y'all phone to the ceiling. Women don't want to see that. But chat, if she got her phone to the ceiling, put your phone to the ceiling. If she got her phone to her face, put your face in the camera. You know what I'm saying? She know you're not an ugly guy. This why she FaceTiming you. Bro, everybody don't look their best 24/7. She know you a good looking guy. That's why she FaceTime you. That's how you got the number in the first place. You already in the door. You just gotta stay there. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter your head nappy, bro. It don't matter. It don't. I mean, you do want to try to look good though. Keep your haircut, like I tell y'all niggas. Keep your haircut. Make sure your face clean, your face washed. Make sure your skin glowing. I tell y'all niggas that all the time. You do want to do that though. But whole conversation is not hard at all. It's very, very easy. And look, when all things boil down, let's say I've been on the phone a little minute. See, I've been on the phone about 30, 40 minutes. Because this can keep y'all on the phone for so long if y'all just know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can go to a deeper conversation, get to talk about conspiracy. Conspiracy gonna go on forever. Y'all get to go into videos, send each other videos. Like I'm talking about, y'all can stay on the phone for about 8 hours, bro. Probably longer than that, bro. Then if that's something you want to do, you know what I'm saying? And then you start going to sleep on the phone with her, you down there got her, my boy. GG's. Start going to sleep on the phone, you down there got her. So look, what's another thing I was gonna say? So look, when everything goes down to it, guess what y'all can always do? You can always call her back. That's what I'm saying. That's why y'all shouldn't be nervous, shouldn't be shy, bro. You can always call her back. When everything gets super, super dry, where your brain just out of there, you don't know what to say, you think like you lost. You just hit her with I'm finna go fit me something to eat. I'm gonna hit you back when I'm finished. She'll say, all right. You say fix you something to eat. You can say you finna go to the store. You can say you finna do whatever. Just hit her with I'm finna go do this. I'm gonna hit you back when I'm finished. She'll say, all right, you do it. You hang up the phone. You know what I'm saying? You kind of refresh. Go eat actually. Go do something actually. Kind of refresh. You know what I'm saying? And then you text her. You know, you hit up. You busy? She probably say nah. You say FaceTime ? Call her back, and then start it over. That's the only way y'all gonna get better if y'all keep doing it. You can't get better if you don't FaceTime no girl. You gotta keep FaceTiming. That's how you get better at it. It becomes easy, it becomes second nature. You're gonna get to the point where she can talk about napkins. You can make the conversation drag, right? Same thing in person, but in person you got a little more visual. You You know what I'm saying? You with her, so you can talk about whatever she wearing. She got a ring on, you start talking about the ring. Oh, you like rings like this? Yeah. If you can start dragging it, bro. You can look at her ring and be like, oh, fuck with this ring. She'll say thank you. You be like, oh, you like these type of rings? She'll say, yeah. You can jump to fucking rings in marriage. You be like, oh, if you was getting married, what kind of ring would you want? Do you care if it costs a lot of money? Y'all get what I'm saying? She'll be like, oh no, I don't care. Like y'all can just drag it. Bro, if y'all niggas got any type of help out of this video, bro, just like the video. Just like it. Just hit a nigga with a like. Just give me a like. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can just give me a like. I just gave you a little gem. Give me a like, bro. But with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This video is my story time. If y'all haven't watched my story time, go watch that. It's a banger. And this video, the video YouTube think y'all need to watch next. I don't know why they don't think y'all got no riz and they telling y'all to watch that, but you know, I think you should watch it too. It's actually a cold video. Now I see y'all niggas in the next one.